In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into ActiveCampaign effortlessly. Whether you're just starting with a fresh list or migrating from another platform, importing your contacts seamlessly will enable you to start engaging your audiences right away. Now, let's dive straight into it. First, you'll want to navigate to the Contacts section within the ActiveCampaign platform. You'll find this conveniently located on the left panel of your dashboard. Once there, turn your attention to the upper right corner of your screen, where you'll see a prominent Import button. Go ahead and click on that. Now, before proceeding, it's essential to have your contact information organized and ready for import. Ideally, you'll have a CSV file prepared with all your contact details neatly formatted. A CSV, or comma-separated values file, is a straightforward and widely used format for spreadsheets that applications like ActiveCampaign can easily interpret. Alternatively, if you don't have a CSV file ready, don't worry. ActiveCampaign offers seamless integration options with other apps like Calendly, Google Sheets, or Typeform. If you've collected data through any of these services, you can directly import your contacts from there, saving you time and effort. Beyond these methods, there's another handy option for quickly getting your information into the system. If you have a small list or some quick entries to make, you can simply copy and paste the data directly into ActiveCampaign. This feature is exceptionally user-friendly for those impromptu needs. Once you choose the method that fits your situation best, the platform will guide you through the process step by step. For CSV or external integrations, ActiveCampaign offers mapping tools to ensure the data fields are correctly aligned. This ensures that your contacts' information, be it names, email addresses, phone numbers, or any custom fields you have, seamlessly matches with the corresponding fields in your ActiveCampaign account. As you wrap up the import process, it's worth mentioning that ActiveCampaign will give a summary of the import. This summary often highlights key information, such as how many contacts were successfully added or if any duplicate entries were identified and omitted. Keeping an eye on this summary helps maintain the integrity of your contact list and ensures you're always working with accurate data. And there you go. It's as simple as that. With your contacts now successfully imported, you can start creating campaigns, setting up automations, and connecting with your audience like never before. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has made the importing process crystal clear. Enjoy making the most out of your ActiveCampaign experience.